You great foods to really celebrate those occasions. It could be a Tuesday, it could be a graduation, it could be a wedding, but we also want to celebrate the moments that bring us together. And you can use your Temp-tations every single day to do just that. I love this idea. This is called a set of 4 bottle coasters. Now, these are stoneware. Oh, they make a nice ring. And they fit your wine bottles. They could also be mini bowls. And they could be your ramekins, maybe for ice cream, sides, and smaller portions. But I love the fact that if you have a chilled bottle of wine, this keeps the condensation from getting on the table. Now, we do have Old World, Floral Lace, and seasonal. So you're getting the set of 4 for $14.88, which is complete madness. I mean, essentially it's like 4 little mini bowls for $14 and change. But this pattern is one of the 2 most popular. It's called Old World. And I want to just focus on those details for a second because you're getting a beautiful flower detail and some scalloping around the top. And there's also hand-painted decoration on the inside. So this is the Old World Confetti. We only have 200 in this one. Now, we also have the Old World Blue. We have 200 there. We have Old World Green, 150. We also have the gray, where we have 200 left. And then we have taupe, and we have 150. Now, another of the 2 most popular patterns from Temp-tations, we also have Floral Lace. So Floral Lace is where you get more of a saturation of a deeper color. This is the black. We have 200 remaining there. We also have the blue. We have 200 of those. We have 175 in red. Oh, excuse me, that's cranberry. 150 left there. We have gray, 175 left. 175 left in the red. And then we have 175 left in the taupe. Now, last but not least, because seasonal, always a popular choice, and seasonal patterns you will not see again until 2023 of that season. So let me explain. Here's patriotic. We have 250 remaining. Palm. We have 100 left in palm. And then in the garden, we have 6 dozen remaining. Hummingbirds and dragonflies and ladybugs. Now, we're welcoming in Lisa Lessort, and officially, she is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for Temp-tations. But because everybody today gets a call sign, she's call sign Empire.
I got you, girl.
That's so awesome. That's such a great
actually really, I like that. And it's National Cheese Day.
Yes!
And we are selling wine coasters. But you know, it's so much more than this, my friend.
What
right?
a great day.
Because what a great, it's like a trifecta day, right? So
Yeah.
listen, for 20 years, we've been presenting Temp-tations. And Tara Designer, who's Tara Designer. Yes, Tara Tesher, who is, we should call her Tara Designer.
That's a good idea.
The designer and creator of the Temp-tations family of brands, really has outdone herself, Mary. And as you know, she's all about magical transformation. So we have to call this something. So we call them bottle coasters. Here's what I want you to think. You're absolutely right. Mini bowl. This is 2 cup capacity, so you get 16 ounces. It's about 5 inches across, about 2.5 inches high. But this is stoneware, so it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. We are retiring this, but I have so many great ideas to show you what you can do with what we call a bottle coaster, Mary.
I love that idea. Let's see your ideas too, because I love the way you think, and it really helps us think of ideas to use in our own home.
Yeah, absolutely. So if we come close over here, I'm going to show you, like, this is just that great size, that mini bowl, that ramekin size that we know and love. So you can do everything right here, from your M&Ms right over here to our little beach cakes, because we can bake right in here. And then we have our nuts. I think we actually have a close-up camera so you can actually see the pattern. And there it is. All right, let's get started. Look at this, our little candy-coated things right there.
Cute.
Mary, look at the palm. Inspo from you from last week of doing a beach cake.
Cute.
Look how cute. How about all your little nuts, things like that, your goldfish? Of course, what we actually designed it for, a bottle coaster. And you can see that you can fit a small or those bigger bottles of wine right in there, beer bottles, things like that. And then, of course, here's the garden pattern right here, all of your dips. So all of those little things that need to be held, including your liquids, are perfect in this 4-piece set.
I think that is so cool. And you know what, too? If you have your bottle coaster on the table and your chilled bottle of wine starts to sweat a little bit, you won't get that condensation all over the table. But I got to tell you, I saw there's one review for the bottle coasters already, and I got so many great ideas just from that one reviewer. So thank you, one reviewer, because I saw they use these for ice cream. This is a perfect ice cream serving bowl. I mean, this would also be great for have your basket of chips, put your salsa in this one. I mean, this is a great serving size for 2 people. I mean, I look at the fact that we have Old World, Floral Lace, and seasonal, and this is a size bowl that's that perfect, Lisa, I like to refer to it as like an in-betweener. It's not a big mixing bowl, it's not a cereal bowl, but it's right in between for all of those times that we wish we had one.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Great for leftovers, great for prepping, great for storing, great for inside, great for outside. And if you've never tried Temp-tations, first of all, this price is amazing.
They're $3.72 a piece.
It's a $3.72, and let's just level set. This is stoneware. It's what our grandmothers use. It's what their grandmothers use. It's hand painted on the outside and the inside. It has beautiful detail around the top, the bottom, every which way you look at it. But it's that size, it's that shape, and it's that capacity that you're going to reach for day in and day out. That's what makes it a great essential in your kitchen.
I love this size so much because I feel like it's enough. Like if I put my Germac snacks in there, or if I put my Squirrel brand in there, I feel like it's enough that I feel satisfied, but it's not so much that I'm like, great, now the can's gone. And then there's guilt. So you know what? I'm going to start with the Old World, reminding everyone this is a no reorder situation. It is the first day that they're being presented at this lower price. They're a clearance price today, and they're $14.88. That means this one's $3.72. $3.72, $3.72, $3.72, $3.72. Now, in the Old World, I have the confetti with me on set. There are only 150 remaining. We do have them in blue. 175 remain. We also have the green. 125 remain. Here is the gray. 125 left there. And we have 125 left in taupe. Now, into the floral lace, we have taupe. 150 left. In red, 120 left.
Ooh.
In gray, I have 150 left. There are 120 left in cranberry. In blue, 150 left. And in black, I have 100. Now into the seasonals. We have the garden. Garden's very limited. There's only 3 dozen left. I have palm, but there are only 4 dozen left. I get it. I love that one too. And patriotic, we have 200 remaining. 3 easy payments of $4.96. You can bump it to 5 easy payments with your Q card anytime you like. 500 sets have now been picked up at $3.72. I get it. Hey, call sign Empire. Will you come back and join us in just a little bit?
I'm sorry. I think I heard you correctly. Will I come back? There's a little bit of static.
It actually sounds like a headset mic. That was amazing. Oh my gosh, brilliant. Lisa, we love you. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye for now. K65438. That's amazing.